Imagine you were sitting in the driver's seat, you turn the key or push the start button, and absolutely nothing happens. Or even worse, imagine the engine actually starts cranking while the car is still in gear. That is exactly the kind of headache a P081C code brings to the table. This is a generic powertrain code that you will often see in vehicles from Land Rover, Volvo, BMW, Mini, or Jaguar made from 1996 and newer. Basically, your powertrain control module has noticed a malfunction in the park input circuit of the neutral safety switch, which is sometimes called the shift selector switch. This is strictly an automatic transmission issue because the computer needs to know exactly where that shifter is before it allows the car to start. Usually, this circuit is built right into the neutral safety switch. When you move that lever into park, a specific voltage signal is sent to the transmission control module or the powertrain control module. The computer is constantly watching this voltage whenever your ignition is on. If it does not see the right amount of voltage while the car is supposed to be in park or neutral, it triggers the light on your dash. Sometimes it takes a few failure cycles for that light to actually pop up. You should take this seriously because it can lead to a no-start condition or a dangerous situation where the car starts in gear. Most of the time, the culprit is a defective neutral safety switch, but it could also be shorted wiring or even a programming error in the computer. To fix this, you will need a diagnostic scanner and a digital volt ohm meter. Start by looking for any technical service bulletins for your specific model. Connect your scanner and write down all the codes and freeze frame data before clearing them. If the code comes back immediately, use your meter to test the park input voltage at the switch. These circuits usually work on either full battery voltage or a ground signal. If the switch itself is not testing within the right parameters, you will need to replace it. Always remember to disconnect your controllers before testing the circuits with a meter to avoid frying anything expensive. Most of the time, a simple switch replacement or a quick wiring repair will get you back on the road safely.